And what's up guys, I'm Himanshu from Wheelscraft, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how the gasket of Tappet cover is changed. Just have a look at this nasty engine bay. So first of all, I opened the both of the bolts. They were of 10 mm, and here it is, so nasty. Now as you guys can see, the rockers, timing chain and the Tappet aligned together, and this is the old gasket. And engine is not that much, it is in very pretty condition. This is the old gasket, fully damaged, and let me show you the new one. Here it is, so fresh, nice. It also comes with a metal stopper. So let's get back to the work. So first of all, I'm gonna clean the cover with the metal brush like this. So the main causes for the gasket damage is the overheating from the engine, different grade of oils, like using not recommended oils, then bad Tappet setting, or using engine without an engine oil change for a long period of time. To prevent this, change the oil in a scheduled period of time of 2 or 3 months or every 2500 kilometers. Just have a look. Now I'm gonna put the new gasket on. See this. Okay, to install it I'm using Bond because it will secure it perfectly to ensure there is no leakage. So as the cover is not there, I'm going to fire up the engine to show you the working. So yeah, here it is. As you guys can see here, the timing chain, rockers and Tappet running in motion, and here comes the oil. So let's pack it up. I'm also applying Bond over here again because it is necessary that you bond it correctly. And now I'm fixing it. I'm tightening up the bolts again, and make sure that I have taken a limited load over here because it may slip the bolts. Much taken torque will also break the bolts. Air filter hose and everything put back to its place. As you guys can see, after finishing the job, it is looking much prettier than before. With this, it's time to change the engine oil. So I have drained the oil, and here it is. By unscrewing the 17 mm drain bolt, by using this ring fixes spanner, and the oil that I'm gonna use here is the Motul Scooter Power LE5W40. It is 100% synthetic oil, which is of 800 ml. Let's pour it back in. So guys, always remember to tighten up the drain bolt. Serious loss can occur. And now I'm going to fill the oil with this. It's a wrap, and it's time to end up the video. If you like the video, please subscribe, share and comment down below and tell us what we can improve, because suggestions are always welcome. I'm Himanshu signing off your side. Bye bye.